All right, fitted sheet in place. Grandma Betty blanket in place. Next comes the
Mobile.
mobile.
I thought it was mobile.
Mobile.
Oh.
Mobile is...
Okay.
Okay. All right. Let's start taking it out.
Do I take it out?
Yeah, take it out.
I think.
Aw, looky there. Cute. Okay. Where's the instructions?
Oh.
Oh, they're in the bag.
Oh, then
And
that-
also, batteries.
For what?
It requires batteries
Oh. I
To
forgot
make-
that they said.
to make the mobile.
Okay, we'll get to the next video now. I'm gonna go.
So now what?
So now I'm putting it in. This is gonna take a little bit.
Is it going threading? There it is. Yeah, spin it down.
Is that too close?
No. See? It's... Then, oh, there we go. And now we're going to...
Did you even put the batteries in?
Yeah, put the batteries in.
You gotta turn it on.
Oh, yeah.
Well, you have to listen to this at night.
Hey, yeah, it runs for a little bit.
Wait.
It's called white noise.
That's not a satisfying noise.
It's what it sounds like when you're inside the womb.
How did they know?
Microphones.
What happened to the other sound?
Press the button again.
Which one will it fall asleep to better, do you think?
I don't know. Probably the white noise to begin with.
Okay, you done?